What's up? We finally hit on the sneakers out. This what we hit for. Let's see what we got in. We hit for some UNC Jordan 1s. Yes, sir, we hit for UNC 1s. Blue outsole. We got a white midsole with a blue suede. White leather panel with the black leather. Put that closer to the camera. The black leather check. The suede, good suede. It changes. Good suede. We got on it. Black tumble leather here. Come with blue laces. Come with black laces. Get on with the tongue. Blue Nike, the check, Nike Air. The other one, these came with a little defects. I don't think it's on this one. Let me see. It's on that one. You can't really see. We got a glue stain right there. Come with glue stains, but it's all right. You can't really tell. Hold it up. You can't even see it. You can see it barely noticeable. There we have it. UNC 1s. Hit on the Nike sneaker out, size 11. First time ever hitting on the sneakers out. And these pretty dope, pretty nice. I'm keeping them for the collection. I'm keeping them DS. And it might be the end of it, guys.